Okay, sorry, we are about to we were arranging money, managing. Sorry, not arranging. We were managing money, and we were about to eat something. So that's okay, guys. I think this is going to be the last match of today. Yeah, this is going to be the last set of today, and then we will come back tomorrow. Yeah, it's like 3 hours, right? Okay, so this is going to be the last match of today, Kazumi, Kunimitsu, and then we will come back with the 4th day of Kunimitsu tomorrow. And I'm just so happy. Nobody is able to beat me today.
ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ
ਕੀ ਮਰ ਗਈ तुम्हारे ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ मतलब की
ਪਰਸੋਂ ਵਾਲਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦਿਖਾ ਫਿਰ
केड़ा सा आपस में मारा तेनू
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਮਾਰਾ ਤਾਂ 2 ਸਿੱਕੇ ਵੱਧ ਮਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੀ ਕਲਰ ਕਰ ਲੱਗ
हाँ मैं तुम्हें सुनाऊंगा बात है तुम जलील करूंगा तो तुम्हारा होगे
ये सोच लो जिस दिन मैंने हराया ना असलान सोच लो फिर रोओगे
चल यार चाहूंगा स्टे ना दे आकर
हां सेम कल होना हाँ उसमें से काम
यार नंबर 1 2 से अगर हिट मारती हूं
मैं 13
हां
तेरा माने
हाँ हाँ वही तो okay guys, last set of today. I hope I wish I can stream more. Tomorrow I will inshallah start stream at 10 a.m. sharp, inshallah, and then we will play until 4 or 5 p.m. because now I have to go to some. I have to go to barber shop to cut my hair. You know, my hair is.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm going to color my hair ash.
Someone special is coming.
Okay, ash color. So now I have golden hairs. But now I'm gonna dye my hair with.
Aslan, tell me who is
I will tell you later. Let Daud go. Leave.
Aslan, tell me who is coming. Aslan, इधर तो देखो.
Hey guys, इमरान एक मिनट है मैं नाम चेंज कर लूँ बस लोग पूछ This guy name is Khan. He is sponsored by Fate, and he used to main geese. And I already know him. He beat Neat once in Jordan, right? ऊपर की, and he's going to lose back Kunimitsu badly. So this is this whole introduction. Oh, wait, my mask! I love my mask color. Alright.
यार ये देखो ऊपर सेट ये पूरा नहीं लगता
पढ़ता है पूरा कि नहीं पढ़ा ये पूरा नहीं पढ़ता सही सकड़े nice and this is I think generally very good for geese for Leroy. Nice kick. Yeah.
Round 3. Fight.
He was dead. Okay, let me tell Khan one thing. So he can punish me. Down by 3 खा के ना पैरी कर अफा 1 वाली नहीं खा के वैसे तो हो ही जाएगी नहीं होगी okay forget it guys. Wow, he's playing decent now. ये move जो है ना, okay, people who don't know, the back 1 plus 2 is also parry. Okay, so it works the same way this works the same way. Do you know this? Maybe most of you people know this, but the people who don't know this also work the same way. Alright guys, so here's the thing. If you, okay, let me beat this match and then let me tell you. Okay, 1-3 was confirmed. Big damage. Look at the range. Okay, so here's the thing. So I just told you, you should always go for the combo which is up forward 3 for after down forward drop after F3. So sometimes it happens on up forward 3-4 connects your opponent off axis. So in that case you should do uppercut 2, just I did, right? So it will also work on that on off axis, right? On off axis, up forward 3-4 into 4 into 1 will not work, will not connect. So in that case you should do uppercut 2, that gonna connect. So here's the thing. Why Eliza is locked? Because we don't wanna play Eliza anymore. That's why we just locked Eliza. We are so disappointed. We worked too much on Eliza and then nerfed Eliza. I think she's the only one who nerfed badly. I guess.
Round 1.
She nerfed so hard.
Fight.
She was the only one who nerfed so hard. I don't know why. Not this one. क्या? हाँ बैक करो सर.
Fight.
It was minus too much. I did rage art. It came out a little bit late. Okay, here you go. This one. हाँ वेरी वाह. हमें पता नहीं कितने प्लस है
Fight.
I did the gain. DP. He could have done 1 2 3 instead of 1 2 4 to break the wall, and then okay, because I am doing a lot of jabs, that's why he's doing wall standing. Nice, Khan. Again, I missed that! Why?
Out with nothing to show for it.
He won 2 matches. Oh my god. I'm going to lose. I can't even imagine. Sakura? क्या अरे किसने घटिया गेम करा
यार चुप हो मैं
It should work. Confirm. Ah!
यार वो सेव है
क्या इमरान?
पूरे भी पूरे गायब हो गए थे 1 मंथ के बाद
हाँ. That.
एक काउंटर पे लगे दूसरे पे
सारे पास.
Round 4. Fight.
दूसरा है ये.
Final round.
I cannot lose.
Fight.
I'm gonna change the stage.
ओए नहीं स्टेज रहना
क्यों? तो रैंडम ही लूंगा. Good keys with a bad matchup of
ये क्या बदतमीजी है
for Kunimitsu. I think so.
यार नाम कुछ पे आ रही हो
It's looking.
मैं तो पहले गया सी
Yeah, I think she has a lot of gimmicks. I believe.
चलो छोड़ दो हैं
10-0
FT 3 तो नहीं है कासी.
मैं 5 मार के ते 5 एफटी लेके पोस्ट कर
तूने मैं दसना.
Round 1.
प्लान
Fight.
Leroy, guys. Leroy is still OP. Post everyone. Hashtag Leroy OP. I know how to deal with this guy. I know now. Because every time I just go back turn, he just duck without thinking. Now I know how to deal with this. You will see.
चलो खाने की ब्रेक होगी.
Round two.
इसके बाद मैं इसके बाद Ooh!
और रुक गया तो कुछ हो गया.
ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਈ ਬਟਨ ਦਬਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ.
तो क्यों मैं तेरी बुंगे मारने के लिए रुकूं?
Nice यार.
Strike.
Fight.
वो सारी नवी चीज़ मारेगा. यार मैं सारी नवी चीज़ मारेगा. है भाई.
मिले थे आप इमरान भाई? I have to win this match at least. I was looking right now. Oh. Alright guys, so there is 10 minutes break only. It's a dinner break. It's not a dinner break. It's a lunch break. Yeah, the lunch has been served. I just need to go and eat. I will come back. I'm not gonna put something on. We just say 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, we will finish real fast and we'll come back. I'm just going to. प्यार ना लेना सही गुस्से ना लगे
अंदर बैग करने से.
एक मिनट है नहीं निकल
その武器興味あります
Round one. Fight.
fuck okay guys, let's go. तुम नहीं खेल सकते. दो कैरेक्टर वाला दुनिया में कोई नहीं खेल सकता.
क्या?
दो कैरेक्टर वाला कोई नहीं खेल सकता. He's dead. I knew that he's gonna duck.
Round two. Fight.
तुम्हें मारेगा कर इनको कवरेज चेक कर
I don't know how much plus I am after that, but I think I am on more than 3 plus or maybe 5 plus. Here it is confirmed.
है यार
Ah, she cannot parry the stick, right? Alright. Nice.
नाइस
Atif Bach. This is a signature move, Atif Bach.
मर रहा था इधर
उतार के दो ना.
ना दूं ठीक हो
Ye-
Nice comeback.
यार ये क्या कर क्या रहा है ये साइको नीचे मारी जा रहा है.
यार बहुत आला
खाई जा रहे हो.
वो सारे उठा रहे हो
अच्छा कितने दे रहे हैं मुझे फिर?
यार लाले में तुम कमाल कर गए यार
Round one. Fight.
It can't be happen.
Yeah, 1 2 2 1 2 2.
आ गई थी
Very good.
बकवास ना कर.
क्या मतलब
तेरा माइनस वन. शानी ना कर. और हिल गया सब कुछ.
चलो 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 तुम चलो
चलो. यार I see. Okay. ये क्या है? बैक फोर डाउन फोर बैक फोर.
काम कर रहे इसका एंटी है, इसका नहीं है फलान का.
गुड गेम ना लूज करा. FT5 था ना. चलो यार
चाहिए था मुझे. 5-1.
What is going on? Maybe I did too much today. Okay, I'm not gonna beat him. It's fine. It's fine. या तुम बकवास ना करो. यार वन पे पनिश कर रहे हैं. किसे क्या खा लिया इसने पागल ने?
अंगूर खा रहा है.
Act like it. ये मोटे में ना यार मेरे बट. Oh, I didn't do that. Guys, Kazumi Kunimitsu is weak.
हैं?
या वो कर क्या रहा है? उसे कुछ भी नहीं पता.
अच्छा
फिर भोंगिया मार मार के पता नहीं डाउन में क्यों मार जा रहा है. ये तो मैं मार मार के 10 मार आई खाएगा. भोंगिया सीधा खाना.
की मारी यार.
हाँ ओके. किस तरह कर रही है?
तेरा
नहीं हाँ तेरा
नाम कहता तेरा है.
एवेन
और मैंने कब कहा है?
10
वो तो नहीं होगी. होती है.
बंदूक लग गया. बढ़िया.
Yes, 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 like this, like this.
感じぶっさい
Just need to ask Rada for the buff. It's 2-5 or 2-6? It's 2-5. Still I have. Okay. Oh 5. की हो गया चेक कर ले.
यार मैं एक चीज तो मान
8वां बैटल आ सही है.
हाँ तो 2-6 हुआ ना. 2-5 हुआ है. 8वां 7 हो गया तो 8वां ही हाँ. It's 2-5. Nice.
रोए पहले ही पावर लगी.
I know. Maybe I need think what he's doing. He don't know Kunimitsu.
शनि चलो मार.
He just noted my timing of my low kicks and he's just padding my low kicks. I need to change the timing. चुप कर तुम खेलो आगे.
क्या इसको गाइड करो.
तुम ना करो.
क्यों गाइड करो. डाला बैटिंग डालने में हुआ.
Back four with us.
लांच फुल गुस्से ਦਾ ਦੇਖਣ ਦਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰਨ ਦਿਆ ਇਹ ਹੋਰ ਬੁਰੀ ਬਾਤ अब हो गया दोबारा ये 11 हो रही
Nice.
यार ये बंद ही बहुत है.
Oh yeah, I found someone who is giving tough time. It's fun.
दोबारा मारी हाँ तुम्हें सामने दसेगा
I cannot.
यार बैक फोर पहले सारी पावर.
Cool. यार कैसे यस तो आया था क्या बनाया आया नहीं
गेड़े पाल
धोखेबाज हो तुम आए क्यों नहीं तुम मैं कुनी मुझसे डर लग रहा था मैं लगा ऐसा हाँ भाई जाना माइनस में है जनाब समझ आ गया मैं इसकी राहुल से मैसेज करके कुछ बताओ यार शानी को कुनिमित्सु का
क्या करूं मैं पनिश नहीं दे पाता
सजावट बताएगा कि नहीं बताया सजावट बताओ जरा इसे मैसेज करो यार मैं कर रहा हूँ इसे
2-3 ने उसके बाद फुट खानी है वापस सफीना पे आओगे क्या फायदा मैं कभी टैग 2 में भी इसके अगेंस्ट नहीं खेला था मुझे ये चीज दी
What is that? 14. I got nice 14 from punish.
दास की पनिशा फौरन देनी पड़ेगी अल्लाह बड़ा भी तेरा नाइस वापस नाइस
यार इसे क्या रिस्क ले जा रहा है, रिस्क लेके जीती जा रहा है बस। ये रिस्क प्लेयर खेलता है। Oh, you can see this move and react. I got it now.
जावल कह रहा पूरी वर्सेस पूरी
Yes. यार
अच्छा डर भी रहा है यश यार
तुमने भी खेलनी है कूनी। मैं कैरेक्टर ना कॉपी करो।
जावल को कह रहे
हाँ
जावल क्यों कॉपी करनी है यार
और नो कैसे पता है। Sakura! Okay.
4-5
盗みのご依頼なら
Pudul वाले में माहिर है समझ नहीं। Apply with only for you can you can enjoy my video on my YouTube.
Round one. Fight.
It's not my decision by the way, it's my team decision. So I cannot remove that. नहीं
और दूसरी अब बैक की पर 4 मारा था उसको था
Okay. I think this is a bad matchup. This is if not bad, then hardest matchup for Kunimitsu. Ah, it just confirmed. Please. He could have killed me. He could have, यहाँ पे ना पीछे से डाउन बैक 1 था और ऑफ आउट 3+1 ये पता है हर कैरेक्टर को लगता है पीजे इनसे पता है यार Oh wow. What is this 50-50 guys? Dump back 4, down back 3, 1+2, back 4, down back 3.
भैया
ब्लॉक करें मैन भाई आप।
Round two. Fight.
Oh, they nerfed the damage. I forgot that.
चबल मारन दिया तो तेन पता वैसे नहीं गोल भी पक्की पंजी दिखो
नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा
Round four. Fight.
Magadus, no! That guy hit him. I don't. यार किथों आ गया? ओ खान साहब तुसी की हो? Okay, this was done from it's 5-6 from 1-5 to 5-6. It's not the end.
Round one. Fight.
Nice hit. Very smart. I know he was waiting for my race drive. I knew that.
यार ये डोंट फॉर 2 ਤੇ ਪਨਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ
Round three. Fight.
Okay. What will happen now? 50-50? Okay, escape from the 50.
नाइस यार, गुड कमबैक।
That tool you can run a model to go.
Oh my god, he's dead. Oh, ninja! Uptime is 4 hours, 57. You said it under the
Round one. Fight.
Oh wow, nice. Oh lalea!
Round two. Fight.
Oh, you cannot do that. I can do it the combo. Magada. Yeah, he could have punch parried me and punished me with back three. I know. Alright.
हैं?
It was supposed to be minus 11 from here.
Oh यार मैं अंदर वो चुकी
यार बिला हो जाना।
तो तू भी तो कुछ मार यार पागलों की तरह क्या करूं?
पहले तो पागल ही है। तो बोल दी था कि गाल
Okay, Alpha 3 I think has more range than. Why this combo is not consistent? Oh, I'm not gonna take easy. Huh.
क्या लग रहा
Yeah, 7 plus this one is that a range is safe, I guess. Leroy is still strong. I think Leroy 50-50 is still strong at wall, especially down by 3 1 plus 2 and back 4, and he can also mix up with Dafa 1 plus 2, right? I think Dafa 1 plus 2 is safe. Or it's minus is safe, yeah. But not as strong as he used to be, because now he cannot mix up you with Alpha or 4 into down by 3 1 plus 2. It's gone. Maybe in some situation it will still work, but I think it's almost gone at high level, at medium level or above medium level. It's gone, but at some situation it still work. यार ये क्या कर रहा है? किसको? He's not letting me come closer to him. Okay, bro. Nice. He knew that. Okay, KLCF too low crushes and has generous hitbox. I see.
KO. Round 4. Fight.
I'm not.
Final round. Fight.
I see. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, what I'm doing! ये था
यार तू रोला ना पाया कर पजल हो जाता हूं
मैं खुद पजल हो गया मैंने FA4 खा लिया मैं खुद पजल हुआ हूँ
यार तेरे चमड़े मार रहा है
मैंने क्यों डाला ये इससे क्या नहीं पड़ा इसे कुनिमित्सु को डाउन 3-4 नहीं पड़ा
नहीं डाउन
लाले
लेट मारा हुआ है
मार मार थोड़ा मार
लेट मारा है भाई पास
अच्छा 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 लेट मारा he got it late no now situation is तरह की थी nice that one is homey and handy yeah
KO. Round 2. Fight.
इमरान में आदत चेंज कर
तो तू ना अपनी आदत चेंज करी जीता
KO.
हर जगह जीता मार
Round 3.
इमरान तू स्ट्रीम में से तूने खेला करना कि नहीं खेला करना बता
यार तू शोर
मैं 300 लोग बैठे हैं तू बकवास कर आगे से
शोर क्यों डालता है तू?
तो मेरी आदत है क्या हो गया
तो फिर ना के लगा
फजूल बोल रहा है और सारे लोग बैठे हैं मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं क्या बोली जा रहा है वो अकेले में बोल दिया कर एक कॉम्बो मिस हुआ क्या हो गया
वो भाई टोकन मेरा तो जो आता फजूल से
तुम मैं कैसी सिचुएशन थी, अगर वैसे मिस हो जाता, फिर क्या करता? अगर वैसे मिस हो जाता तो, अगर वैसे मिस होता फिर क्या करता, बोल तो। अब नहीं खेलना, दिल नहीं कर रहा। तो हमने जेने बनाया हुआ बस। Okay. Sound. Okay, now it goes sound as well. I will tell you later. Guys, you know the sound is so cute. 2-2 sound. Check कर जरा. Is it over? I have to beat one match. एक चेक करना, शायद हो गया.
案外簡単でしたね
मैं खेला हो गया. चेक तो कर ले, कैसे पड़ा. It's over, right? Okay, it's over.
興味あります
Check करें.
Round one. Fight.
Okay, so day 3 with Kazumi with Kunimitsu is over, guys. I think that was the closest match so far. Yeah, that match with Khan was the closest match so far, and that's it. So yeah, it's time to end the stream, and thank you so much everybody for coming. Yes, we did 5 hours stream, and yeah, see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. sharp. If not sharp, then 12 p.m. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much everybody for coming and tuning into the stream. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned from my Kunimitsu, and I am learning a lot from Twitter, from a lot of people who and thanks to those who are posting different things of Kunimitsu, because it's so fun character, and yeah, it gives you so pleasure when you play Kunimitsu, and so a lot of mix-ups, lot of many gimmicks, too many things. Asanas is full crouch. Downfall, no, it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. You can block this mix-up by pressing your handle back. Okay, so if you do tuck roll, if you press button, or if you don't do anything, if you are on the ground, that is confirmed. But if you back your handle, then you can block this mix-up. It's not guaranteed. We check this. I was not playing Super Akuma. Maybe I will try to play with Super Akuma. I don't want to play because I tried with Love Neat and it was playable. I think connection with Super Akuma was playable, which means you have to struggle. I don't want to struggle playing online. So it was and it is not smooth, I'm not gonna play. It's not fun, you know. I love playing offline as always, but as we are forced to play online, and yesterday I was playing rank just for fun, just to see how good the internet connection is, and I got some good connection in Pakistan. There was a guy with 5 bars. It's not 5 bars. The connection was running smoothly, like I am playing offline. However, when you play with foreigner players, especially France is very far from Pakistan, so I think there will be lag, and I don't wanna play in that lag. Yeah, I can play 6 more than I can play 3 or 5 hour more by now, but I have to go to a shopping mall and I have to dye my hairs, and so a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, see you tomorrow everyone. I'm gonna rate to someone, just me. Gigas thick ass. Okay, let's rate thick Gigas thick ass.